Are emails really an effective way to communicate with clients as well as customers? Hi guys, my name is Deepak Shukla, founder at the Pearl Lemon Group. We are a business growth and development agency based in the UK, USA, and serving clients worldwide. And if you need any support with your corporate communication, please do reach out to us and we'll see how we can support you. And today, in day number 30, we're here to talk about emails and whether they're effective for communication with clients as well as customers. But before we get into it, feel free to click the link in the description below to get access to 7 additional strategies that are not shared in this training. So, look, this is going to be, in some senses, straightforward. Emails are a very effective way to communicate with clients because it contains a history, okay? It contains a history of the campaign. And, we've historically had problems where a lot of stuff has happened on a direct messaging on WhatsApp and it's not captured in email. And the problem with that is that there's no way to go back and really review the campaign, especially at points of contention, especially at points of review, and especially at points of reporting, as well as dealing with timelines. So there's lots of reasons for why email becomes important to ultimately outline any new activities. So in that element, when it comes to milestones, keystone events, changes in strategy or attack, having even a quick one-liner to confirm from your client is really important. And it's powerful to think a little bit like a solicitor does. Can I get that in writing? Can I just make sure we've got that written down? Because it serves as a log of what's happening with the campaign. So absolutely, emails are really effective to communicate changes of direction or action as well as reports within a campaign. Now, for the day-to-day minutia with discussions, probably you can vary. And for example, at Pearl Lemon, we use a lot of WhatsApping, sending voice notes and sending changes. And using a combination of the two is probably really powerful. Now, it's not to say that, for example, absolutely everything always needs to be written out on email, especially when a campaign's going smooth, especially when it's, for example, a minor change. Then there is a cause to say that, well, you don't need to always document it, but it is always useful to carry a log of it because then it's easy to show, to present, and all of those things we've described. So overall, where you can, emails are very effective. But when we're talking about the power of communication and how to foster clear dialogue, then there's better ways, or there's there's combined ways to do it. So combining email with phone and with voice and visuals, whether that's as we said, a call, a WhatsApp voice note, a video recording, all of those things are going to be really effective. And combining all of them is going to be great. Also, if you find that you're stuck singularly on one channel, let's say you're always emailing, it's important to have a check-in. It's important, to be mindful when it comes to your client communication plan that, well, when am I organizing a video call with this client? Because I've not bloody spoken to them in months. And that could be a problem because who knows? And remember, your clients are always being pitched. They're always being approached by competitors of yours. So it's important that you maintain that closeness, that sense that, you know what, Deepak cares for me. Deepak's looking after me. Deepak, even though he's less present in my day-to-day, he's produced 1 billion videos for our teams internally, as well as, of course, anyone who ends up watching it through the courses that we have online. So there's ways to communicate both internally with your actual team as well as customers, effective means of what it is that you're working on, what it is that you're trying to communicate. And emails are fantastic. And the question perhaps arises from what can often happen, that there's a bit of a kind of communication that emails can be cold, and that's why giphies are powerful, that's why emojis are powerful, that's why energy effectively communicated over email is powerful. But combining it with a quick WhatsApp voice note, combining it with let's have a catch-up call, combining it with do you want to go for a coffee sometime this week, combining it with all of those elements is going to take it even further. So fundamentally, these are the things that I consider when it comes to effective communication with clients and customers. Emails absolutely effective for tracking, logging, reporting, keeping a history, and then combining that with, of course, the other styles of check-ins. Before I finish up, please do comment, like, and subscribe if you can. It really would mean a lot to us. Thank you so much.